Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we have a Gemini Jets unboxing. As you can see right here, this is a pretty rare unboxing. I did just receive it in the mail not too long ago. I did not intend on purchasing this model. I actually won it from a giveaway from aviation_DSM on Instagram and on YouTube. Please make sure to go follow him and subscribe to him. And without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. If you do enjoy, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new and you do enjoy this unboxing. Let's dive straight into it. So obviously your typical box, but yeah, let's get straight into the unboxing. This is pretty rare. I'm not entirely sure exactly how rare it is, but from what I've heard, it's pretty rare. Not sure when it came out to be exact, but anyway, here it is right here. You can kind of see it upside down there. This is, as I mentioned, this is a Gemini Jets unboxing, but it will be a kind of shorter unboxing because it is a smaller aircraft and it's only one. But I have been purchasing a lot of new models recently and they should be coming shortly, so let's dive straight into the unboxing. One other thing, I do apologize if the quality of the camera is not the best. I do plan on getting a new camera very shortly for Christmas or for something, just a new video camera in general, because I definitely need one. But anyway, let's start off with the box. Here we have the Gemini Jets logo, made for collectors by collectors. And then here is the aircraft right here. Bombardier CRJ-200, American Eagle. And if I am right, they do still fly these aircrafts today. I could be wrong though. But here is the flap with information on it. Let me actually go like that. There you go. You can pause the screen to read the information about this aircraft. So yeah, back to the box. We'll go down here a little bit and zoom out. Right here it says Gemini Jets 1/400 scale diecast model. Lists all the supposedly facts about the aircraft. Highly collectible, superior quality, which most of it is true. Gemini Jets computer generated aircraft, Bombardier CRJ-200, adult collectible model. And then this is the same as the opposing side. So let's get straight into the unboxing. Alright, let's get straight into the unboxing here. These boxes are always so hard to open. But to give you a scale of how small the box is, that's my hand. So they're definitely really small boxes. They're regional brand. Gemini Jets makes pretty small boxes for, but there is the aircraft. We'll put the box back there for views. And then there is the aircraft lying on the front, or top. Alright, now for the part you guys all came for. We have the actual unboxing. Once again, huge shout out to aviation_DSM. I do appreciate him doing the giveaway and sending me this model. But here is the aircraft. Looks very, very good, and as always, it is not broken, so very good job to Gemini Jets, and a big thank you to Aviation DSM for the model. Now this is American Airlines really old livery, not their newest one obviously, but I do think they kept a few aircrafts in this livery. This was back in the MD-80s, like first being made, is when this livery pretty much was like around and used on a variety of aircrafts. But starting off at the front, we have the nose cone right here, as well as the cockpit windows and your standard CRJ-200 door, which actually comes out. This is actually a staircase, and then it comes out and you just walk up it, whatever. Then you have American Eagle title right here, as well as your landing gear, which actually is not a rubber piece. It's just a metal painted on type of thing, black paint. And you have your overwing exit, which is on both sides of the aircraft. And you have your small little winglets as well as the wings in general. I actually did just get off a CRJ-200, but it was by United, so a little bit different, but they're definitely cramped, but they're still good aircrafts. Then you have your blue, white, and red stripes going around the entirety of the aircraft. Then you have the registration, which is in, hold on, let me get the box really quick. It is, does it even say? N866AS. I do know that they fly the E145 in this livery, but I'm not sure if they are operating the CRJ-200 still. Then you have your pure white engines. This is pretty much a Euro white aircraft. Then they decide to go to the all gray livery. But here's your two engines. Then you have your red, red, white, and blue stripes still going to the very tip of the back of the aircraft. Then you have the American old logo right there before they came out with their new one. And you have your horizontal stabilizers up here. Then you have your light gray bottom of the aircraft, which I will show the bottom of the aircraft in just a minute. Here is the bottom of the aircraft. As you can see, nothing special, just pretty much all gray. But you do have your Gemini Jets logo here. And you can see the part where the wing attaches to the body of the aircraft right there. And yeah, so nothing special about the bottom of the aircraft. As for the top of the aircraft, once again, nothing really special about it. You do just have your all white top as well as your gray wings and gray horizontal stabilizers. But there is a few beacon lights and emergency exits or kind of cut out Wi-Fi box type stuff on the top of the aircraft. So they did a pretty good job of detail on that part of the aircraft. I would like to thank you guys so much for watching my newest video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. I do realize it was quite short with only being one aircraft, but I'd like to give a huge thanks to aviation_DSM for the model and doing the giveaway and giving me a chance to get the model. And yeah, so I have ordered a bunch of new aircrafts. Not a bunch, but I do have quite a few on the way. So expect some bigger unboxings coming shortly. Anyway, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.